Hello everyone, let's unbox this beautiful A&B nutrient treasure box gifted by my friend Bhavna. This was a little initiative from her to bring awareness about gardening and environment among kids. So let's see what's inside the box. So first we have this beautiful pouch of seed bombs and a COIR. This COIR is used to germinate seeds initially. Second, we have a little cute handcrafted book. This book contains a list of medicinal plant. Next, we have a book of story. This book can be useful for our kids to bring awareness about our environment and gardening. Third, we have a little pamphlet of AVANT'S, and next we have a data sheet, I think, which is used to keep record of your efforts like soaking date, planting date and watering date. And we also have a cute little miniature plant in this box, which is very beautiful. We also have a little dried flower bouquet, which also has a little fragrance in them. And lastly, we have a grow bag, I think, which is used to grow plants after germination. And last, we have a little thank you card from our